Our eyes only need one sleepless night in order to appear fatigued. In actuality, the way we look is greatly influenced by our eyes. Have you ever noticed that your eyelids seem to be drooping and the skin around them is sagging when you look in the mirror? Drooping eyelids, also known as ptosis, can be a normal part of becoming older, but they can also be congenital or even the result of disorders like diabetes or other issues within the neurological system. In some circumstances, drooping eyelids might impair your eyesight in addition to being aesthetically unappealing. If this applies to you, you've probably already considered making a change, like having surgery. Here we'll provide you with a fairly straightforward formula that will significantly reduce the appearance of sagging eyelids before you resort to more invasive procedures. The best part is that you only need one ingredient, which is something you most likely already have in your kitchen. Consider the following ingredients: 1 cotton swab and 1 egg white. Instructions: remove all of your makeup if you are wearing any, then wash your face. After that, crack the egg and separate the yolk from the egg white. All you need for this recipe is the egg white. In the egg white, dip the cotton swab. Apply the egg whites on your eyelids while your eyes are closed. Till the egg white is completely dry, keep your eyes closed. You should complete this application up to 3 times each week. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Join the channel for more advice and recipes.